By speaking in a normal voice, there is less stress on the vocal cords. Generally, by maintaining silence, the throat heals soon. Yes, please speak when necessary. But avoid speaking too much. With less use of vocal cords, the process of throat recovery will be faster. Don't whisper, it's unnatural. This puts more stress on your vocal cords. To respond to what others say, keep a pen and pad handy. Gargling increases moisture in the throat and softness in the vocal cords, and speeds up the process of speaking. Mouthwashes are also available for this. You can regain your voice by gargling with salt water, which will kill the bacteria in your throat. Take a cup of lukewarm water, this will relieve sore throat. Warm up your body with yoga, because your voice is also a part of your body, so to give warmth to the vocal cords, the whole body has to be warmed up by yoga. Yoga is a great way to activate your diaphragm. If you are feeling very ill, you can stay in bed. Sit on the ground with your legs bent, keeping a slight gap in your knees. Keeping the arms straight, place the hands on the knees and take a deep breath through the nose. Exhale rapidly through the mouth. Press your hands on your knees, look up and pull out your tongue, roaring like a lion and make the sound of R. This sound should come from your diaphragm and not from the throat. This is a good exercise for the diaphragm. Taking fluids while healing the throat helps in maintaining adequate moisture in the throat and helps in regaining the voice.
For similar Ayurvedic information, join Dharni Ayurveda and get solution to all your problems.